Hello everyone. So today I'm starting the new chapter from Yintern from your book Yintern Lomka, page number 49. The title Kungkup Choktong. You know, Kungkup means the trees, okay, saplings. The Shulishunga Kungkup Chokshong Linbure, planting the saplings, okay. Abhi Shuni Bamgo, I'll read and you just follow, okay? Whatever I'll read, you just see your book and follow it, okay? Sigdumka Kungsa Timchup Tonima, Are Thamchang Thambik in Nimsim Nusa Assam Abum Goma. Kung Maninbu Sigdumre Mura Muju Assam Maninbu Longtol Zong Goma. Abhi Shuli Am Godigongre Kung Sigdumka Kungsa Atim Chuk Tonima. Tree is very important in our earth, okay? Are thamchang thambik nun nimsim new sa asam abum gomo. So trees are the trees are the life of thamchang thambik linbure animals and insects, animals and as well as human being. Go kung muninbu sigdumre mura muju asam muninbu longtol zonggomo. If trees are not in this earth, then abhireshim moninga mura kung muninbu sigdumre, the planet which have no trees means that planet is like the dead body, okay, the body with no life. Or is ambutong gomo arinan matba ya namka namthar pongka kungrem rum clan la mervam thomo. So because of that, tree is life, okay? So because of that only, in ancient time, the people worship trees, okay? Not to the god, but they worship trees. They used to worship trees. Kungbong yangne punjok re kursuk aresa punsan pundop jong go ma. Yane kungbong yangne punjok kung trees and the forest are the ornaments, okay, of the earth. Anaga kungbong nun kayum shure chong bo thovung munine go along kungbong nun kare what kungbong nun kare have fulfill all our needs, okay. For example, shang byok pe linbure the forest and trees gives us firewood, anukare they give us fodder, grass, anukare kung linbure timber go chogo paper punjok mon linbure herbs, okay, medicines, herbs, and thampot rimpot fruits and fruits and flowers go tiang kayu punjok lam dub khutcho. So all those things that we need we get from the forest, means we are getting this from the forest. Telia the atim lomne asumsa liuka lukding bu ungrem liane kungpong nundo fatlet rem juk bi pat chokbu thuk bi pat chokbu fat leyum juksho. Along abishulium kung nado kung the trees only are helping to the ocean. So every drop of water in the ocean, that is also because of trees. Trees nado abi ocean sa abi water la shumunam fill madbam ga. Along leona kung pong nando fatlet rem thukbi pachukbu fat layum juksho anangara fertility la kung nando provide macho, okay. So kung nangkare setet atim yuk madvam kungbong punjok gyunun nimsim nyu un azum tham pongka so thobu phanto pongsa chi kyop makhne abishulem kung nangka atet agyap kuyum facilities kung nangka atet agyap kuyum to help provide madvam seresa kuyununka aririm nangka kuyum atet agyap benefits bosho. So benefits rem re koi nang sathala kung rem re sathala we cannot we are never paying back whatever we get help from the trees. along suryo dup un punjok pong kayu sa gyu gicho gum linbure suryo dup linbure forest okay huge forest jungles are re koi sa shumuga are do koi sa property gyu gicho linbure are do koi sa property yimba are manin gong kayu sa liang sigdum are fatji chotam ka lyok non cho if those trees are not here then shimunguncho kaisa liang sigdum kaisa earth this green bluish green earth become desert okay desert kashimuncho fertility do munguncho ga along ason desert ngunka ka lyok noncho kungbong ari un mugwong pongnan punjok gyuktho ni wungum along kungbong linbure trees ga arik linbure the climbers anukare mugwong linbure bushes ga are grass bushes are nungdo punjok juk thambu niwam ga sugdum are ka chevo thasa kungbong un arik pong nima so sugdum are ka there are varieties and varieties of kungbong linbure trees along agap do varieties kungbong pong anungare arik pong linbure climbers pong nimo gun chungchong nando nimsim news are lentop un tekhan matwamo so each and every trees each and every leaves are dedicating their life to the human beings needs god they are helping to human beings suk nongka chungda ni bu thamtung gyu pong fatlet num long fuel gas num tiang kungbong nun I thobu gum along kursuk nongka kuisa earth under the earth okay inside the earth there are so many mines like crude oil anukare coal gas are LPG and all ga petroleum are gunla shumbuga because of those are the forms of shumbuga old kuinanga sediments lomananga are minerals form unthambu gomana so are because of the are trees lom are kungpong lom do are gunla formed unthambu ga ya nam the talk nahan kayu sa punjok pong matli dinu yangne midyak tunghong phat rombu atenun kursuk sa nongding lapwung de ubi thamtung liuka lyok ngani mo along are ya tung talk nahan okay thousands years ago re shumunguna ni buga ga lyang are kare they were like the forest and are gunla forest shumungun thonga it was buried okay under the buried those surface buried under the abi shilinga kursuk sa nongding lapwung deng ne nong kare shimungun ga earth sagong kare are buried hun thambu are gunlan andogo abi shimu are lyok non ga abi mines ka lyok non to hoga sibilomre are gunla minerals pong along thuk bambu ga kursuk sa nongding lapwung deng ne ubi thamtung liuka lyok ngani bo so are thamtung rinbura gunla mines ga are sugong kare lyok nangka they are turned to the mines are sa jurtong surong sa chuthuk kamuronan sakbol la matwamo so because of that okay ore nangka do shimungunam ga along sa ka the people are using okay taking all those advantages okay from the actually kuyuna libare are those are the product of the trees and forest only okay are tiang matmanin gong strong sa tiu sa thulom nun ate tarvot dup mukhan sibu gum if mines are not there okay okay I am abishuliam coal mines iron mines gold mines minerals are mining song munin bu gogong re the people in this era okay they would not be such developed okay atet develop munchit sa atet advanced ngun khut shong abi possibilities munin chimbu kungbong un avong arik pong nun kayu sa vartorem achong un aryum sa la thosho. So kungbong un achong avong arik linbure because of the trees and the climbers and the forest only keeps kuisa environment rem pure and fresh sa la zukna thosho. Nimsimnyu rem no tong matsibu nitrogen gas re kungbong afong pong nun leusho. Abishuliamga the gas nitrogen gas, okay, which is very harmful for human being, and that harmful gas is, you know, who consume the harmful gas? Those trees are taking, okay, consuming those harmful gas, and they help human beings to be harmed from that poisonous gas, okay. Oxygen gas vartoka lyotsho, and those trees, those green vegetation gives and they just exhale the oxygen gas, and they inhale all those nitrogen and those poisonous gas, okay. Sirere nimsim nyu un to zoom pong rem pokdo gatko nimbu gum. So oxygen gas, which is needed by all the human beings and the living beings, okay. Are maningong kayu to zoom pong jubam makhune. So if the oxygen gas is absent in this earth, none of the living beings will be surviving on this planet, okay. Alumat na punjo kung un chu zum bek sa gongchi vungsa deptom aring rem riula diamchat mat khutcho. So alumat na do punjo kung un zum chu bek sa gongchim vungsa deptom. So we can see the, you know, relation, okay. Abi kat nung kat plonga dependent satet nibam. So are dependent nung kado abi koi sabek relationship satet strong nimgat bu nibam dinung kare, we can assume, okay, how strong is our relationship with the trees, with this and these human beings, living beings, all the living creature in the earth, okay. So are first page page number 49 sago explanation mat bothambani. So are go uyum ikna continuation second video ka go lamat bosho. So are abite ka do go thosho. So next video ka go ikta abi next chapter next page rem continue lamat show la talk chimo.